Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you how to use Aironox Automatic Garment Steamer. So, you might be wondering, what is this Aironox Automatic Garment Steamer that you may be hearing online? So, Aironox Home here specifically is an automatic garment care device that dries and smooths clothing during using a shirt-shaped balloon attachment inflated with warm air rather than a handheld iron or ironing board. Now, it runs at a 1400 watt and comes with a digital touch controls for setting time and temperature. Now, it's designed for shirts, blouses, trousers, dresses, and similar everyday garment, with sizing adjustable from the small up to XL or double XL through zips on the balloon attachment. Now, it's not recommended for delicate fabrics like wool, and additional attachment here like shirt case, lint remover, and dress attachments, pants attachments, shoe attachment are sold separately. Now, how to exactly use this specific device here? Now, what you need to do is you just need to attach the garment to the balloon attachment here, and the site recommends starting with a slightly damp shirt. Now, either straight from the wash or lightly misted with a spray bottle. So since the machine works best that way. Dry clothes work through as well, but you may want to dampen it a little bit. Now, from then on, adjust two side zippers to fit the garment snugly and extend the upper telescopic rods for length if needed. Attach weight clips, one on each side, and one at the front here and one at the back to keep the fabric stretched during the cycle, and fold the collar up over the top of the balloon, so it gets smooth as well. Now, you want to set the desired time here and temperature on the digital touch panel, lower heat for delicate fabrics, and higher heat for cotton. Then start the cycle. Now, most shirts and trousers finish in about 8 to 12 minutes. Heavier fabrics or deeper creases may take longer. Now, on the pricing side here, currently it's listed at around $159.99, marked down from the original $355.50, with bundle discounts from buying multiple units like 10% off for 2, 15% off for 3, and orders include free bonus items depending on quantity. Now, a 30-day warranty extra for 1 unit, priority handling for 2, and free lint remover for 3. And additional attachments like shoe, pants, and dress attachments offered at checkout. Now, it comes with a worldwide track shipping and a return policy for anyone not satisfied per the site's stated return process here. But yeah, so if you do have any questions first before ordering here, you could also reach out to them via their contact page here. So if you have any questions, you could go and reach out to them directly. But that's about it. So, if you find this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.